Alright guys, here we have a 2012 Chevy Cruze 1.4 liter turbo, and I have a p0171. Right now I'm showing you guys a screenshot of my fuel trims. As you guys can see, my long term is actually at 18%. Now, these cars are actually very notorious for the valve covers going bad, but I've never seen one actually fail like this, where it's actually creating a bigger vacuum when I actually remove the oil fill cap. So I'll put you guys on here. Well, first, you guys see that my numbers are at 18 and 3. The short term is looking okay, but don't forget my long term is at 18, so my zero set is actually up at around 18%. So now we're going to come here, we're going to take off the cover. As you guys can see, I'll take it off, and just listen. As you guys can hear it. Now if you guys look close, you guys can actually see a movement on the inside. We're going to come back, and we're going to see, look at that. Huh? Isn't that pretty? So, quick diagnosis on 2012. Now, not all them 2012 Chevy Cruze are going to have this exact issue. Some of them are going to actually be more pronounced, and some of them aren't. So, just take heed that if you do have a p0171, that don't go ahead and replace your O2 sensor on this, because you guys are going to get caught and get caught quick. So, that's it. Have a good day.